Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca Jeep from IncaJeep.com. Check me out on Instagram at Inca4x4. This video is going to be about my first impressions overlanding with this new 2020 Gladiator in the North Georgia mountains, and also a quick how-to set up a basket with an awning on top of the Gladiator's roof. Hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I got another video for you guys. Pretty much on Facebook, I was able to score this sweet ass deal on this Rhino rack. I forget, I'll link the model number, but it fits perfect on the gutters for the Gladiator. And I think there's accessories you can buy for them, but the person I bought them from, she pretty much ordered one and they sent her two, and she has a JKU and she uses it to like haul around, I think she said kayaks. I'm gonna put a basket up there because right now my space with this temporary like fix I got going on for my rooftop tent, I don't really have that much space. But this basket I got that actually went in my JKU, went in the rear. It was like a shelf. I'm gonna put that up there with this awning, because I can't use my ARB awning because it's like too wide, but I'm gonna use this like small one. I'm gonna go on a camping trip, and I'm expecting it's like 80% chance it's gonna rain, so I will put it up there and follow up with some pictures or some videos. Okay, so I got my awning off. They're like a $80 awning on Amazon. I'm gonna say it's like not too bad, because for the price, yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that they're like shitty, but they're all right. So this is what it's gonna look like once it's installed, and this is a front view. So this is life right now. We're about to go camping, and Enzo
Denzel. Oh, there he is. What is up, player? Oh, snap. Oh, hi. What's up, man? What's up, alright? Yeah, this looks so long.
Hi, I'm Blake. I'm going camping.
Alright, so pack up. Yeah. What are we doing?
Now, if you want to eat. So, funny thing about Blake is he likes to do this thing where he cooks his food on the ground.
I heard their wings. Just like Denzel's ears when he runs. Alright, I'm actually not hungry at all. I just woke up from a 13-hour sleep, so
All I've got to pack up is just this tarp from my tent, which is really wet. I don't know exactly how I'm going to pack it up.
Hell no. Yo, those tires are awesome. Turn it just to go backwards, like back up into it. Keep it coming. So my opinions with this are based on the fact that I overland more than rock crawl or do any extreme wheeling. Now some things I like, they're definitely that the Rubicon comes stock with the Fox shocks. This ride was very smooth. The truck bed is a perfect platform for overlanding, and the trail cam and Bluetooth speaker just made the camping experience just so much better and a lot more fun. The auto stop and start, the way you have to engage the lockers and disconnect sway bar, and the tonneau cover are some things I didn't like, especially the tonneau cover. What it looks like ultimately when I get my Yakima rack is I will have to just sell that. It was an extra I didn't really need. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you out there on the trails.